If someone cut just 3 cables, they could knock the internet offline for an entire continent. Not satellites, not radio towers. Cables, thin as a garden hose, lying on the bottom of the ocean. Almost everything you do online right now is running through one of about 500 of them. 99% of the data that crosses the planet, the internet, phone calls, financial transactions, travels not through satellites, but through undersea fiber-optic cables. And each one is surprisingly thin, often no wider than a garden hose, despite carrying terabits of data every second. Inside, a hair-thin strand of glass carries pulses of light. It's wrapped in a copper conductor that powers signal boosters, then armored in steel wire, insulated in polyethylene, and coated in a tar-soaked outer layer. Every 50 to 70 kilometers, a repeater boosts that light signal, relaying it across thousands of kilometers of open ocean. Laying one of these cables takes a specialized ship, some over 100 meters long, carrying hundreds of kilometers of coiled cable in its hold. Before laying a single meter, engineers survey the route to avoid fault lines, shipping lanes, and fishing zones. Near the coast, a plow buries the cable under the seabed, protecting it from anchors and trawling nets. But out in the deep ocean, there's no burying it. The cable is simply laid on the seafloor, sometimes more than 6,000 meters down. A single cable can take months to lay and cost anywhere from $200 to $500 million. In 2008, a handful of cable cuts in the Mediterranean knocked out internet access across Egypt, India, and parts of the Middle East. Sharks have even been recorded biting these cables, apparently drawn in by the electromagnetic field they give off. But the most common cause of a break isn't sabotage. It's a ship's anchor dragging across the seafloor during a storm. When a cable does break, repair ships can take weeks just to locate the fault in deep water, then haul the cable to the surface to splice it back together. And for countries connected by only 1 or 2 cables, a single break can mean a total blackout. None of it works without this physical network. Not cloud storage, not financial markets, not a video call to the other side of the world. That's why countries are now treating redundant cable routes as a matter of national security. Next time, we'll look at the satellite network built as a backup to this entire system, and at the countries trying to build an internet that doesn't depend on the rest of the world at all. So next time someone tells you it's in the cloud, remember, it's actually at the bottom of the ocean, running through a cable thinner than your arm. If you want more stories about the hidden infrastructure running the modern world, subscribe.